To go back to the Haitian place. I was gonna make the rice, but the Haitian mushrooms will be here till tomorrow. So I went and got a whole tray for the family. Here's the black rice, you guys. With fish tonight, I think it's gonna be so good. Cut the fins off and get this all seasoned up. So I'm using all of these seasonings, guys. All of the seasonings that I use. So here's my fish, all seasoned up and ready to go for the grill. I use garlic powder, Old Bay, garlic and herb, fish seasoning, lemon pepper, Creole Tony's, and I used the jerk seasoning.
$1,000 for months of not being able to hold her own kid.
How does this not make you smile?
You have the ice cream tomorrow?
So good. These are good. I mean, black rice.